Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Are you interested in learning the exact method Travis Stevenson has used over the past 14 years to establish multiple seven-figure businesses? I've been able to adopt his methods, integrate them into my own, and more than double my monthly revenue. This absolutely free course will break it down into 6 distinct phases. Phase 1, crafting a seven-figure business. Phase 2, shaping and identifying your customer avatar. Phase 3, developing your automated pitch process. Phase 4, generating your first 1,000 leads using free techniques. Phase 5, implementing essential changes to facilitate growth. Phase 6, scaling your business. Normally, this training is only shared with participants in our Mastermind and other high-ticket courses. However, today, I'm giving you complimentary access to these video tutorials. Truthfully, the entire process isn't overly complicated. I firmly believe that by following this methodical formula, achieving your desired business outcome becomes possible. If you're eager to uncover a genuine, reliable, and scalable approach to building your online business, one that ultimately grants you the potential for genuine time freedom, seize the opportunity to watch these videos while they're available for free. The link is in the description. Until next time, life is good.